Hey, hi, hello. Today we'll be going from this to this. So my plan for today is to replace the bumper, replace the headlight, test fit the fender. It came in wrong shade. I had to repaint it, respray it, but unfortunately it was cheap paint, so I have to do it again. Also, while the bumper is off, route the bonnet release cable. It will make a lot easier. And more or less that's it for today's plans. Oh, as well as a millage liner. It was very straightforward to remove the bumper. It's only them clips. Two of them broke off. There's one bolt in here, right at the corner. It goes into the fender. Here, couple bolts at the bottom. I think 4 bolts and 2 screws. Screws for the fender liner, bolts for the pan. Couple clips at the top. 4, 8 clips. And that's it. Easy peasy. I can see there is a lot of loose connectors, so imagine should be very easy to retrofit things like front camera, probably all 360 camera all around. Next, it's gonna be bonnet release cable. I wonder is it going under the headlight, under, over, behind. What I'm thinking, maybe I can tape the new cable in to the old one and pull everything through. I can't see anything in here. Oh well, I'll see you in a bit. Well, the new cable is in. Now only to remove that catch, clean it, put the cable in. Easy peasy. Well, but my original plan didn't work out. But I was planning to pull it through. You can't see it, but there is a grommet inside. There it is. I had to remove a grommet, pull the cable from the outside, put the grommet back on the cable, and pull from inside out, if that makes sense. Because that end's way too thick to fit through the grommet. Right, off to the catch. Look at all this muck. brush and some brake cleaner. Latch is all clean now, and it doesn't need a lot of grease. All it has just one this moving part, so just spray some silicone in that hole or right behind it. So as you can see, it's closed. Hey! I know it's not big of an achievement, but come on, it works. Also cleaned threads of the bolts, a bit of surrounding area, so it's a bit nicer when it all comes back together. Next, it's bumper. Need to transfer everything to the new one. Grill, fog light surrounds, number plate. Probably I'll need that. Actually, I'm gonna fit the headlight first. I've got a socket, 40 pounds. Unfortunately my camera died, but this is what I did. It's final results for today. Headlight is in, fits quite good. Bumper still going to be up. There's still going to be a bracket in here. It's gonna attach a bit more even. Other side fits nicely. It's even gaps. So both headlights, fog lights in. Need to order new fog light bulbs. Some bulbs in the headlight as well, didn't have any spare ones. But the fender, as I said, was the wrong shade. Tried to paint it, but was very bad quality. Tried to wet sand it, still no good, so ordered more paint. For some reason it doesn't fit very well. Is it of a different Qashqai? As you can see, it sticks out quite a lot. Even cannot push it down. New wheel arch liner is in. So I need new trim piece. And I don't know what to do with the fender. Do I order another one or try to fit this one? So in the next episode I'm gonna be trying to fit that fender. If it fits, I'll spray it. I bought some how to say, professional paint. I'll be using compressor and air gun, and hopefully it works out. If not, I'll need to order a new one. Until then, see you soon.